Dear student, now I explain the RC lag compensating network. Aim to design the passive RC lag compensating network and to obtain its frequency response. Also to determine its transfer function experimentally. Apparatus required: one signal generator, one number CRO, two resistance decade box, and then one decade capacitance box. The R1 value 1.8 kilo ohm, R2 value 918 ohm, capacitance value 0.1 microfarad. Now connections. So the negative terminal of the R1 is connected to the positive terminal of the R2. The negative terminal of the R2 is connected to the positive terminal of the capacitance. Then from signal generator, positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the R1. The negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the capacitance. This is the input waveform. The input waveform, the input is connected to the positive terminal of the R1. The negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the capacitance. And then output, in the output probe, output positive is connected to positive terminal of the R2, negative terminal is connected to negative terminal of the capacitance. First, by using the waveform, I set the sine waveform, I set the frequency, by using frequency knob I set 1 kilohertz, I varying the amplitude, I set 3 volts, peak to peak 3 volt input. This is input voltage 3 volts should be constant for all the values of output voltage and frequency. This is the input waveform channel 1 mode. Channel 2 also same output mode. Now then the output, now I vary the frequency. I vary the frequency. So I set the frequency some 1.270 kilohertz. For example, 1.270 kilohertz. You see the number of divisions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.2 only. So 5.2 multiplied by that means 0.2 voltage per division. That is the output voltage V0. And then the frequency is the x-axis is the time division. So the time division, the positive and then negative one, positive and then negative only. So therefore 1, 2, 3.3 multiplied by 0.5 millisecond, that is the time period of the output waveform. So the frequency is equal to 1 divided by time period. You calculate the frequency response of output waveform. Similarly, you can vary the frequency, you note down the output voltage, you note down the time period. From this end you can calculate the frequency and then tabulated in the tabular column. Finally you can calculate the gain by using the formula 20 log V0 by V1.